In 12.1, we're talking about collecting data and organizing data. I'll go ahead and put that in here. And some words that you need to know: population. Population is the group of people or things that we want to know about. A sample would be a subset of the population that I might pick so that I can try to figure out what I want to know about the population. For a sample to be a good sample, it should be chosen randomly. A random sample is one that it's chosen in such a way that everybody in the population has the same chance of being selected. After we've chosen our sample, and we collected the data, then we need to figure out how we're going to organize the data. That's kind of what the remainder of this section is about. Now, there's one problem on the homework that talks about collecting a sample. That's problem number 10 on the homework. Let's work this one out. The government of a large city needs to determine whether the city's residents will support the removal of the city's university. The government decides to conduct a survey of a sample of the city's residents. Which of the following procedures would be the most appropriate for obtaining a sample of the city's residents? The first one, survey a random sample of the students and employees of the university. Now, you have the word random in there, but if I survey the employees and the students, it's going to be biased. What do you think they would say? Remove your university? No, that's not a good sample. The second choice, survey every third person who walks into the local grocery store. No, not everybody who's in the population would necessarily go to that grocery store. The third one, survey the last 100 residents listed in the telephone directory. No, you're excluding some people that maybe they're in the front of the directory, or maybe there are people whose telephone numbers are not listed. Maybe there are people who do not have a telephone. Well, we only have one choice left. Survey a random sample of persons within each graphical region of the city. Yes. So maybe I would want to look at the city as geographical regions. I could even randomly pick some geographical regions that I'll survey, and from there, randomly pick some people in the region that I'm going to survey.